So we have here another example. We have here find the area bounded by curve a squared times y is equal to x cubed, the x-axis, and line x is equal to 2a. So the first thing that you will do is to sketch the graph, okay, the figure. So you have to do again your x and y table of values. So you have to do your x and y table of values. So I would suggest kayo dyan sa bahay ninyo, you do the table of values and tingnan nyo if you can graft or makukuha nyo itong ganito na mukha na figure. So basically, if you do your table of values, yan po yung makukuha ninyo if you do it right. And then, ilagyan po natin dito yung mga points. So we have here, okay, kasi from a squared y, diba, the given is a squared y is equal to x raised to 3. So if you will get the y, you divide it by a squared. Okay? So yan. So we have here, that's why you have here y is equal to x cubed over a squared. Okay, and then dito, we use the vertical strip. So that is, ang gagamitin na formula is area is equal to y dx because again, we're using the vertical strip. So our limits is the x, okay, x1 and your x2. Yun po yung limit natin. So, what is your y? Your y is ito, meron na tayo, no? Because we transpose it na a cubed over a, which makikita nyo dito, okay, a cubed over a squared. Now, what is your x1? So, sabi kasi dito, this curve, the x-axis, so ito, si x-axis, and yung line na x is equal to 2a. So, dapat yung kukunin nyo ay hanggang dito lang. Kaya hanggang sa x-axis lang, x equals 2a, so ganyan. So, you might ask, paano ko kukunin si 2a? So, if you do your table of values, easy lang, kasi 2a yung nakalagay dito. So, ilagay mo dyan a, 2a, ganyan, 3a, ganyan, kasi indicated na kasi na x is equal to 2a. So, don't be confused na may a dyan. So, parang 1, 2, 3, 4 lang din yan. Meron lang siyang kasamang a. So, what is y if x equals a? Ganyan. Okay, so, ilalagay natin dito si x from 0 to 2a. Ganyan lang siya. And then, you just substitute the value of your limits, upper minus lower limit. But first, of course, you have to integrate it. Okay, so you take a as a constant. So, ilalabas mo lang naman si a squared dito. Okay, ilalabas mo lang to. Then, you have here x cube times dx. So, magiging x to the 4th over 4 tapos a squared because we take a as a constant. Okay, tapos substitute lang upper limit minus lower limit, then you can get now your value na for a squared square unit. So take note, we're talking about area, so dapat po ang unit dyan ay naka-square. Hindi po kasi indicated what unit, that's why you have to put unit square. So, ganun lang po siya, no? Ganun lang ang gagawin. So, we will have another example on our next video.